everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha and I film videos on cozy crafts, hobbies, and behind the scenes of my small art business, Tab's Art Shop. So it's officially spring, so I thought we could go shopping and maybe find some spring decor, some cute spring dresses. Who knows? I'm gonna go to a couple different spots, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, maybe Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, and just see what they have. I'm afraid they're gonna be very picked through because it is already spring, but we'll see. So we'll do that first, and then I have some orders to pack. So I want to say thank you guys so much for everyone that ordered after last weekend's video. I got the most orders on my website in a very, very long time. I cannot remember the last time I've had this many orders in a week. So I'm very excited. Comment down below if you ordered and let me know what you got. But I have, I think, 4 orders that I need to pack today and then hopefully get those out and shipped tomorrow. But let's go ahead and get to shopping. The first stop is going to be TJ Maxx.
Today is a sweet day, enjoying my time alone, playing my favorite music in my own paradise, waking up slowly in the morning with coffee in hand, looking out the window. The quiet cityscape brings peace to my heart. Today is a sweet day, enjoying my time alone, playing my favorite music in my own paradise.
Okay, I'm back home. We're gonna do a quick little haul. I got a few things from TJ Maxx and Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. Oh, and one thing from Marshalls. And Theo is all over the Saks right now. From Marshalls, I just got one thing. I've been really wanting some like cozy sets. So I saw this one and it's just gray, but it is so soft. And it comes with a little cardigan, a tank top, and the shorts. So I felt like that was a real, oh, and a hair clip. So I thought it was a really good deal. So $20 for a tank top, a cardigan, shorts, and a hair clip. So that was pretty good. So this is the only thing I got at Marshalls. From TJ Maxx, I also got a few clothing items. I actually went in there hoping that I would find more spring stuff, but they were so picked through. So I did not get any decor there, but I did get 2 pairs of jeans. I've been needing some jeans that I can wear to work that aren't like super ripped up or a little more presentable. So I got this pair. Actually, both pairs are from the Lucky brand, and I just think they fit really well. These are this sweet mid-rise boot cut. So I got these, and then I also got this pair, which is just a darker one. So these ones. And then you guys saw me try on the dress. I did go ahead and get it. I just thought it was really flattering and cute. I don't know where I'll ever wear it, but I do want to start wearing more like cutesy spring dresses. So I guess I'll just have to convince my fiance to take me on more dates so I can wear some cute dresses. But I got this one. I just thought it was really pretty, and it has these little purple flowers and green leaves, and it's just very spring, and I don't like my arms, so I like that this has some sheer sleeves so it will still be nice and cool in the spring. So I got that, and that was the last thing from TJ Maxx. Next stop was Home Goods, and this is where I found the 2 decor pieces, which unfortunately my main thing was really wanting to find more stuff for my craft room, but these are going to be in the kitchen. Okay, I just could not resist. I am a sucker for strawberry things, as you've probably been able to tell. But look how cute this utensil holder is. It was only $7.99, and I don't really like the one that we're currently using, so But yeah, I just could not resist. I just think it is adorable. And then the only other thing I got from Home Goods, I forget what these are called, but you put your strawberries in them or like your blueberries. And I just thought it was really cute. It has a bunch of little bows all over it. And I thought it was cute with the strawberry utensil. So yeah, I got one of these. I just see people always using these and it was only $4.99. So I also got this. And that was all I got from Home Goods. And last stop was Hobby Lobby. And all I purchased from there was some fake flowers to finally put in my strawberry vase. And I don't know how it's going to look. My idea was tulips, and so I got their last pink set of tulips and the last white, and then I just added some couple different things to help fill it. So we'll see how it looks. Hopefully it looks cute in my strawberry vase. Okay, so I have 4 orders that I need to get to. Melissa, Robin, and Alexandria, and then Robin also ordered on my Etsy. And once again, I want to thank you guys so much for ordering this week. So many of you guys ordered after last weekend's video when I mentioned I was having a lot of product flops, like my mouse pads, my keychains, my enamel pins, and so many of you guys so graciously went to my website and ordered a bunch of stickers, sticker sheets. I sold my first mouse pads. So thank you all so much for supporting my small business. It really means the world to me. Melissa got a bunch of different stickers and my brand new floral reading bookmark, which makes me so happy because I love that design. And then Robin also got some floral reading bookmarks and some other bookmarks. And then Alexandria got 2 bookmarks. So let's go ahead and get to packing and make sure I have all of this stuff made for them. Okay, for Alexandria, we have the strawberry bookmark without laminate and the pink floral bookmark with laminate. Okay, next order is for Robin in Missouri. I'm actually going to message Robin because they also ordered on Etsy. So I'm gonna see if they want me to just pack all of their stuff together in one order. That way I can include tracking on the website order. I just sent Robin a message on Etsy to see if they would like me to pack all of them together just to save packing material, and I can include tracking on the website order. So I'm gonna wait for a response on that one. So let's go ahead and get started on Melissa's order. Melissa ordered a bunch of different stickers and the pink floral reading tracker bookmark. So I already have a pink floral reading tracker bookmark already made, and I have a bunch of the stickers made as well. So I need to make some of the serotonin stickers and the gizmo. Okay, so I'm all printed and ready to run through the Cricut and finish up Melissa's order. So pretty much anytime I print a new set of stickers, I will print 2 copies because as you saw, I do use laminating pouches and peel them apart, so then I have 2 laminating sheets to put on each set. And then I will just save the other one. As you've seen in a previous clip, I have a whole stack of already printed and laminating stickers, so I will just add this one to that drawer. But let's go ahead and cut out the Gizmo and Serotonin sticker and finish Melissa's order. I'm gonna share with you guys my spring physical TBR. Because I get subscription boxes every month, my physical TBR just keeps growing, so I want to get through a pretty good chunk. I am not a seasonal reader, so I don't pick out books that are specific for spring or summer. These are just books that I want to get to for April and May. But first, I'm going to share with you guys what I'm currently reading. So I am reading Judith McNaught, Whitney, My Love. This is a historical romance, and I read her Kingdom of Dreams a couple months ago, and I really enjoyed it. It was only my second historical romance book I've ever read, and I'm loving the genre. I'm finding that it's very like witty and more of a romantic comedy, so I'm loving those. So 2 that I want to get to that I have are Judy Garwood, The Secret, and Lisa Kleypith, Mine Till Midnight. And I've heard that this one is kind of a classic. It came out in 1992, so I'm sure a lot of you guys who are into the historical romance genre have heard of Judy Garwood and The Secret. I have never read anything by either one of these authors. The one I'm reading is only the 3rd historical romance I've ever read, but like I said, I'm loving the genre. So yeah, I want to get to both of these. Then some of my special editions from Fairy Loot. First one is Heavenly Bodies. I've heard a ton of great things about this book, so if you've read this, let me know your thoughts. I'm pretty sure it's a romantasy. The back says, I would turn the world to darkness for you. So that sounds really good. I think it's kind of like a Zodiac romantasy. You know the most dangerous kind of villain, a woman with nothing left to lose. In a world ruled by the stars, cruel and merciless gods, Alara has been cursed by fate. A prophecy promises she will fall for her star, but it will kill them both. When the Star of Wrath and War descends to hunt Alara, the neighboring kingdom sees an opportunity to take from her home, the kingdom of night, to Helios, the kingdom of light, where she strides straight into the arms of an enemy prince. So that sounds right up my alley. So definitely want to get to this one very soon. I may even read this one after the historical romance that I'm currently reading because I have heard such great things about it. Next one, which was in my most recent fairy loot box, A Rose Bargain. And this one is really like screaming spring to me with the florals and A Rose Bargain and the pink. The back says, when one makes a fairy bargain, one must be prepared to pay the price. So definitely want to get to this one very soon as well. And this one is set in England, 1848. So I'm wondering if it is a historical romantasy or, yeah, romantasy since it says fairies. So I don't know, we'll see. I've heard good things about it and it's just really pretty. So I'll probably put that one in my April TBR. Last one is Immortal, and this cover is also just screaming spring to me. What the gods did not give us, I would take. Let me see if I can find the synopsis for this one. There's a little, okay, so this says a deadly betrayal, a dangerous alliance, a fight for survival. So very excited to read this. Here's the character art, which Fairy Loot always has gorgeous character art. Those are all of the physical books that I want to get to in the next couple months. And hopefully a lot of the other ones I have as well before I buy any more physical TBR. Sometimes I just cannot resist. And the third one, what's it called? Fearless in the Powerless series. I did not love Reckless. Honestly, it was a huge disappointment, but I did enjoy Powerless. It wasn't the best thing I've ever read, but I do like, obviously, romantasy and trials and stuff. So I had fun reading that one. So I will pick up the third book, and I think it comes out in April. So those are some of the books that I want to get to for April and May. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in next weekend's video. Bye!